virus is not actually a living organism. It needs something else in which to live, like a human cell. This is not an actual virus. It's a model of a virus, and it attacks human cells. And sometimes it even attacks cells of other animals, like you, Winston.
Yes.
Yeah, you can get a virus.
That's true.
Yeah. So viruses are different from bacteria, because can you here? So bacteria have their own DNA. Have you heard of something called DNA?
I have to be clear, I have not.
Okay, so the DNA stands for deoxyribonucleic acid, and it's the genetic material of the cell.
Oh, okay.
Yep, so I'm going to take this cell apart. Now, a lot of viruses don't have DNA. They have something called RNA, or ribonucleic acid, which is a single strand genetic material. So imagine if you took a ladder. Have you ever climbed a ladder?
Yes, I've climbed it once.
Yeah, so imagine if you have a ladder and you twist the ladder around, the DNA molecule kind of looks like that. So if we take this cell, this virus or viron apart, you'll see this. See that red thing?
Yeah, I see it.
All right, that's the nucleus of this virus. And inside the nucleus, can you take that off? There you go. And you can open it. Thank you, Winston.
Sure.
Okay, so inside of it is the genetic material of the virus. This is the RNA.
Kind of like the core?
Yeah, that's exactly right. Yeah.
How the Earth has a core.
Yeah. So if you look at this, this is, I just split this animal cell in half. If you see this little black piece, this is it's called the nucleus. Or just like you said, the core.
That's right.
Yeah. So that has DNA, or deoxyribonucleic acid in it. So what happens is the viron attaches to the surface of the animal cell, and it puts its RNA, its genetic material, into the genetic material of the cell. And that's how it reproduces. So there's a lot of sophisticated processes that have got to take place. So like, let's say this is the nucleus, and it's got the DNA in it. So maybe we'll do another video that's a bit more complex. But I'm trying to give you a general sense. You're pretty smart.
Yes, I am.
Yeah, and you're a good helper. So we wear these masks, so when we go out and we sneeze, have you ever sneezed before?
Yeah.
Yeah. So when you sneeze in your arm.
Okay.
Yeah, very good. So we also, I wish you had a tissue.
Yeah.
So here, go this way. So we also have these masks on, so when we breathe or we sneeze or cough, it protects other people from all of the things that come out of our mouth when we sneeze. And then we also do something called social distancing. So we try to stay about 6 feet apart from each other.
Like this?
Yeah. Yes! You and I are close, so we can both be in the camera shot. But those are the things that we're trying to do. We don't know, right now we have something called a Covid-19 pandemic. And that's when a lot of people are getting infected. Unfortunately, some people are dying. But the good thing is that most of the people that are getting this are living. And it infects their lungs. They breathe it in, and it goes into the lungs. I don't know if you can see that. But the good thing is that people are recuperating. So our bodies have got all of these neat types of things that are in them. One of those things is it's called a white blood cell. And this is a model of a white blood cell. And those are the things that help our body fight infections. And even the white blood cell has got a core. I think you used the word core?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, yep. It's got a core or a nucleus also. Yeah. So for those of you guys that want to go into the sciences, you'll learn a lot about those things. as you, well, let me help you out so people can't even see your eyes.
Mm.
There you go. You've got really nice eyes.
Well, thank
Yeah. So one of the things that we're trying to do is be sure that we wear our mask if we have to go out, and then if you have to sneeze, at least sneeze into the crook of your arm or turn your head away from people, and try to practice social distancing to be at least 6 feet away, and be sure to wash your hands. You've got, like, look at your hands compared to mine. Whoa, look at that. You've got mighty polar bear paws compared to my little human hands.
Yeah.
Yeah. But we try to wash our hands with soap and water, warm water in particular, and do what we can to protect ourselves and protect each other. We're gonna get through this, and hopefully we'll all be okay. Okay, so I hope you found that helpful. Thank you for helping me. Do you have any questions?
Well, I just hope this corona crisis comes to a complete stop.
Yeah. Hopefully it will.
Yeah.
We have to try to do our part. We don't know exactly when that's going to happen. Hopefully there's going to be medicines and vaccines that a lot of scientists are working on, and people who treat people, patients like myself who are sick, we're going to keep helping them, and we're going to get through this. All right. So I wish you all the best of success in your positive endeavors. Stay healthy. Inshallah, we're going to be okay. Take care.
Take care. And this is Winston T. Polar Bear signing off.
Yeah.